And how big a test are the next few weeks for you personally? Because for you to be remembered in the history books here, you've got to win something.
You can't imagine how less I'm interested in that. I'm never thought about myself in that job. I needed pretty much 2 years when we became champion with Dortmund, and people said, "Oh, the Meistertrainer is the German Champions coach or whatever." That they really spoke about me, because I don't need that. So my job is to do everything I can to help the team, that we can be as successful as possible, and I'm not searching for being remembered in 50 years or whatever that people speak about me. For me, it's no pressure. It's only opportunity. I love what I do. I think I have a fantastic team out there, and that's all what I need to be a happy person. And but I respect a lot the desire of all the people and the players and all that stuff, and I can be really part of that. I can be part of that dream and all that stuff, but it's not for me at the end. It's just for the people. I'm not interested who judge me. God judged me one day, and that's the only thing I'm interested in. What other people say about me, I couldn't be less interested.